Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone,
Thank you.
and thank you for being here today. I would like to start with a quickly question. Have you ever wondered how to determine relative position in a plane or space? Today, I will be discussing about the distance between 2 points, and together we will explore the answer. My name is Anissa Maulidia Hamilestari, and I'm excited to share information with you. I hope you will find the information useful as I go through this presentation, and please feel free to ask any question. Therefore, let's start. The first slide is about introduction, the distance between 2 points. In the geometry topic often involve understanding the distance between 2 points is concept is not only fundamental in mathematics, but also plays an important role in the fields of science and engineering. For example, in the coordinate mathematics, the distance between 2 points is used to determine their relative position in a plane or space. In addition, the concept of this distance is also important in the practical application such as determining the shortest route on the map, designing building layouts, and analyzing data in multidimensional space. The next slide explains the concept of the distance between 2 points is the length of the line segment connecting the two given points, the distance between 2 points in coordinate geometry can be calculated by finding the length of the line segment connecting the given coordinate. The distance between 2 points on the line is equal to the above absolute value of the difference between the 2 points. Therefore, in the picture above, the distance between points x1 and x2 is x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Next, we go into the definition of distance between 2 points, theories and formula used. Definition: the distance between 2 points is a measure that shows how far apart the 2 points are in the space or plane. In a geometry, the distance between 2 points in the Cartesian coordinate system is often calculated using the Euclid distance formula, which is the shortest or straight line distance between two such points. The concept of distance between 2 points is based on the Pythagorean theorem. As we know, c squared equals to square plus b squared, which states that in the right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse c is equal to sum the square of the length of the other two sides b plus a. For 2 points in the two-dimensional Cartesian plane, we can think of the distance as the hypotenuse of a right triangle, where the difference in the x and y value becomes the other two sides. The formula of Euclid, distance in the two dimension is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Distance of the points of the Cartesian plane. For the points on the Cartesian plane, point P at coordinates x1, y1, and point Q at coordinates x2, y2. The formula for calculating the distance between the 2 points is d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. In other words, the distance between 2 points is the square root of the sum of the square of the difference and the x and y coordinates of the 2 points. Now we go into the explanation, the formula. To understand this formula, look at a triangle formed by P, Q, and point R, which are points located on the coordinates 1, x, y. Now consider the base of triangle, the line segment PR. The length is the difference in the coordinate, like x2 minus x1. The height of triangle, namely the distance from point P to line segment PR, is equal to difference in the y coordinate, like y2 minus y1. Thus, this distance formula is basically a generation of the Pythagorean theorem, which applied to right triangle. The square root is used to express distance as a positive number. In Pythagoras, the length of the PQ is the same as the hypotenuse of the triangle. So, length PQ square equals PR square plus RQ square. If Euclid PR is the difference x and QR is the difference y. So far, is there anything you want to ask? If you not, we will continue with explains question. No one to ask? Okay, I will move on to the example question. There's a point A at coordinates 1, 1, and point B at coordinates 5, 4. The distance between the 2 points is. To find the distance between points A and B, we use the Euclidean distance formula in the two dimensions. Solutionnya, AB equals the square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, where x2 is 5, x1 is 1, y2 is 4, and y1 is 1. AB equals the square root of 5 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 square. AB equals the square root of 4 square plus 3 square. AB equals the square root of 16 plus 9. AB equals the square root of 25. AB is 5.
We're finished.
We're finished. I hope this information gives you a clear understanding of
distance between
distance between 2 points. Thank you for your attention and participation.
Are there any
Are
questions
there
before
any
we
questions
conclude?
before we conclude?
Okay, Hannah.
Okay, Hannah.
Okay, I want to ask you. The question is, can you explain the application of the distance formula between 2 points in daily life or certain field of work?
Okay, Hannah.
Thanks for your question.
The answer
The
is
answer is distance formulas are
fast
used in
as
fields such as navigation,
geography,
geography,
self-engineering,
civil
and
engineering,
graphic
and
design.
graphic
For
design.
example,
For example,
to calculate
to
the
calculate the
distance
distance between
between
two
two
locations on a map
or
or to design a cemeterial building structure.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Lily,
Lily. Um, okay, I want to ask you, what if the points are on the straight line? Is there a quick way to calculate the distance?
okay.
Okay, thanks for question.
The answer
The
is
answer is
if the points
if the
are on
points
the
are on the
horizontal
horizontal or
straight
vertical
line,
straight
then
line,
the distance
then the
can be
distance
calculated
can be
only by
calculated
the
only by
difference
the difference
in the
in
x or
the
y
x or y
component.
component.
For example,
For
if
example,
on the
if
horizontal
on the
line,
horizontal
the
line
distance
the distance
is only
is
x2
only
minus x1.
x2 minus x1. Okay, Nisa, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, the last,
Tiara,
Tiara. Okay, question for me. If both points have the same coordinates, how is the distance calculate and what is its meaning? Okay, thank you for your question.
answer
The
is
answer is
if the two
if
points
the
have
2 points
the same
have the
coordinate.
same
For example,
coordinate, for example,
point A,
point A,
x,
x,
y,
y,
and B,
and B,
x, y.
x, y,
Then
then
distance
distance
is
is
0
0
because
because
that
this
the
know
two
that
points
the
are the
two
same
points are
point.
the same point.
Okay,
Okay,
that's right.
that's
So
right.
we can
So we
draw
can
a
draw
conclusion
conclusion from
from about
discussion about
the compression
the
of
compression
distance
of
between two
distance
points.
between two
It can
points.
be
It can
calculated
be
that
calculated that this
is
concept
an
is
important
an important
thesis in the
basis
mathematics
in the mathematics
that
that has
has
many
many
practical
practical
applications.
applications.
Calculating the
Calculating
distance
the
between
distance
two
between two
points is
points
not
is not
only
only
useful
useful
in
in
understanding
understanding
mathematical materials such as such as geometry
and
and the Pythagorean theorem,
but
but is also very useful in various fields or real life, including navigation, construction, data analysis, and astronomy. In the mathematics education, this concept of distance strangers student understanding of the relationship between theory and practical application, making mathematics more relevant and meaningful. Okay, that's all for me. I think now I take my leave. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selesai. Terima kasih, guys.